If you're looking for a clear cache button on iPhone like Android has, it doesn't exist. But there are a few ways iOS handles app cache, and I'll show you exactly what you can do. If an app is misbehaving and not working properly, the easiest way is to force quit it and relaunch it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then stop when you see the app switcher. This is where you can quickly jump between apps, but you can also swipe up to force quit an app. iPhone manages apps in the background really well, and there isn't really a reason to quit apps unless you're actively having issues with an app. Another thing you could do is to offload an app. Go to Settings, General, and navigate to iPhone Storage. From this list, you can pick an app and offload it. Offloading removes the app itself but keeps your documents and data. This works if you want to free up storage without deleting your login and app data. The downside of offloading is that in order to use the app again, you'll need to download it back on your phone. Reinstalling often clears temporary cache files. If you want a true cache wipe, you'll need to delete an app and reinstall it. Tap and hold an app and then delete it. Everything related to that app gets removed from your phone, and you can then go to the App Store and download the app back if you still want to use it. And there you have it. There's no system-wide cache cleaner, there's no clear all-app cache button, and third-party cleaner apps do not work on iOS. iPhone manages its resources really well, and usually if everything is working normally, there isn't a need for manual housekeeping like cache clearing. But it can help if an individual app isn't working properly. Click that like button if this helped you, and check out my iOS playlist for more easy guides like this.